Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. This is 10th lecture of your Progressive English Unit 3 London. Today our topic is Diary, the Great Fire of London, September 2016. Open your book on page number 56. Here is Unit 3 London. London is the capital city of England. Diary. The Great Fire of London, September 1666. The Great Fire of London started in a baker's shop in Pudding. Pudding mean halwa. Pudding Lane during the night of 1st September 1666 and regard for several days. यानी ये 1 सितंबर से स्टार्ट हुई थी और बहुत से दिन रही थी. Only about 20 people died. सिर्फ इसमें फायर में 20 पीपल्स की डेथ हुई थी. बट द फायर इनगल्फ्ड मीन निगल लेना, घेर लेना. इनगल्फ्ड मीन निगल लेना या घेर लेना. 4/5 ऑफ द ओल्ड सिटी. लेकिन इस फायर ने जो है 4 और 5 जो है पुराने शहरों को अपने घेर लिया या निगल लिया, तबाह कर दिया. विद इन 1666 वॉज मेड अप ऑफ नैरो स्ट्रीट्स मीन तंग स्ट्रीट एंड टेम्बर frame houses meshed closely together. The Great Fire destroyed mean तबाह करना 13,200 houses, 89 churches and many of London greatest landmarks. Landmarks mean तारीखी निशान, historic places including St. Paul's Cathedral. Cathedral mean बड़ा गिरजाघर. Cathedral mean बड़ा गिरजाघर. Samuel Pepys 1633 to 1703 is England's most famous diarist. ये जो सैमुअल पपीज है ये इंग्लैंड का जो है बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस डायरी लिखने वाला है. A diarist is someone who writes a diary. Just a biographer is someone who writes a biography. Biography mean आप बीती. He held an important post as secretary to the Admiralty and kept a diary from 1660 until his eyesight began to fall in 1669. The following extracts are come from Samuel Pepys' diary written during the Great Fire. The waterside is the edge of London's great river, the River Thames. Now come on page number 57. Here is 2nd September 1666. So down with my heart, full of trouble. Trouble mean तकलीफ, परेशानी. Full of trouble to the waterside, and there got a boat and saw a lamentable fire. यानी very bad condition. Lamentable mean very bad condition. Poor Mitchell's house already burned. Burned mean जल गया. And the fire running further. In a very little time, it get as far as Steel Yard while I was there. Everybody enduring to remove their goods into little boats. Poor people staying in their houses until the fire touched them and then running into boats. And among other things, the poor pigeons were loath mean disagree, hate to leave their houses and hovered mean छुप गए about the balconies. Hovered छुप गए about the balconies till some of them burned their wings and fell down. यहाँ तक उनमें से कुछ जो है उनके पर जो थे जल गए और वो नीचे गिर गए. As far as we could saw the hill of the city, there was a most horrid malicious bloody flame. Bloody flame mean a खूनी शोला. Not like the flame of an ordinary fire. We saw the fire as an entire arch of flame from this to the other side of the bridge. An arch above a mile long, it made me weep to see the churches, houses, arches above a mile, all on fire and flaming at once, and a horrid noise the flame made, and the cracking houses at their ruins. So home with a sad heart, and there find everybody discoursing and lamenting the fire. Fourth and fifth paragraph you have to read on your own self. Not difficult, easy to understand. You have to read page number 57 2 or 3 times, and then you can answer the questions that are on page number 58. First question is, open page number 58. First question is, what did Puppy see when he went down to the water side? Answer is Puppy saw. First question answer is Puppy saw a lamentable fire. Puppy saw a lamentable fire. Second question is, which details tell you about the effect of the fire on living creatures apart from human beings? Answer is the effect of the fire on living creatures was that the poor pigeons were loath to leave their houses and hoard about the balconies till some of them burned their wings and fell down. Third question is, what made puppies weep in this diary and entry for 2 September? He saw the fire as an entire arch of flame from this side to the other side of the bridge. From this side to the other side of the bridge, an arch above a mile long. It made me weep to see it. Again I am repeating, he saw the fire as an entire arch of flame from this side to the other side of the bridge, and arch above a mile long. It made me weep to see it. Next question, what could puppies hear on that day, 2 September? Question number 4. Answer is puppy heard on that day a horrid noise the flames made. Question number 5. Why did puppies and his friends dig holes in the ground? They dug holes in the ground and put their cheese and papers. They dug holes, burned their cheese and puppies. Next question, why were the houses in Tower Street blown up? The blowing up of houses at Tower Street at first did frighten the people more and than anything, but it stopped the fire. Question number 7 and 8. Answer you have to find out in last paragraph. Question number 7 and 8 answers you have to find in last paragraph. Note on your homework reading, you have to read page number 56 and 57 2 or 3 times and learn the meaning of the difficult words, and also you have to do question answer. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.